Nobody knows how to launch a meme coin the right way, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it and make insane profits. I've already made nearly $400,000 with this method, and if I can do it, you can too. But act fast because this strategy will only work for another month or so. If I made almost $400,000 with this method, you can too. Most people are launching on Pump.Fun, but let me tell you, it's oversaturated. Hundreds of meme coins launch every minute on Pump.Fun, and buyers can't find you, so you'll struggle to stand out. Instead, launch on Radium, way less competition, only about 8 meme coins every 15 minutes, meaning higher chances buyers will notice you. They will literally notice your coin and still buy in. Coins on Radium are hitting insane numbers right now, as you guys can see. Usually you need a code to launch on Radium, but not anymore. Here's the tool that I use, coinray.fun. Now, what I'm going to do here is create my first coin on coinray.fun. It's going to be this sleeping monkey. We're going to go over here and go to create a coin. We're going to put the name sleeping monkey, symbol monkey, and then right here, we're going to add this in. Boom, here is a sleeping monkey, and we're going to press next. Now, the total supply, you want it to be 1 billion. Then for the description, you want it to be the official cutest sleeping monkey coin. Now, we're going to press next. We don't need this right here because it costs 0.1, so we don't really need it, but make sure these options right here are turned on. The liquidity will show up as locked on these coins. If it does not show up as locked, this will basically show that you can take people's money and people will not buy in. Make sure you have these enabled so that liquidity looks locked over here, okay? You need to have all 3 selected. Now, we're going to press create coin. Once we press create coin, we want to go right here and press proceed anyway, then confirm, and then yes, confirm. This site is completely safe to use. Now we're just going to wait here for our coin to be made. And once it's made, we have to create a liquidity pool. There we go. We're going to copy this address and press create liquidity pool. So right here, we want to have 90% and then we want to do 0.3 right here. Make sure your options are the same as mine. You want to put it to 90% for sure, but right here, you can set the radium fees, the amount of the token as much as you want. I personally recommend 0.3. Now, we're going to press create pool, and here we go. We're going to press confirm again, and the pool was created successfully. Now, we're going to choose this monkey. Oh, wait, we already created it. So down here, you can view it on Photon. It's already up $10.99. Someone already bought in, and we already have $10.99. Look at this. Someone just bought in for $50 more, $60, $679, $289. Wow. All right, I'm just going to wait here for a little bit, around 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you guys how much profit I've made. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, let's go ahead and pull out the liquidity here. We're already up like 900 something. I forgot what it was. Okay, we're removing liquidity. Boom, boom, and there we go. Bro, that was literally crazy. Okay, there we go. We just removed liquidity. And let's go check our profits over here. Okay, we just sold, guys. So as you can see, we literally started over here, went up to like 2,000 market cap, and then went all the way down rugged. And the market cap literally reached 2,000. As you guys can see here, it was this one big whale that literally put all his money in and made our market cap go so high. Bro, we just made so much money. Okay, now whenever you make this money, literally just make sure to take profits while you can. Okay, I'm glad I took out money early there because it did start falling, and yeah, I wouldn't have made as much if I didn't take out all that money. So once you see good buys and price appreciation, you can pull your liquidity and keep the profit. Then repeat the method with a new meme, a new funny image, and a new name. This strategy is literally so hot right now, but it won't last forever. So use it while it works and stack your profits. Okay, now, if you found this valuable and you want more secret methods like this before they go public, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment coin below.